Document name Business Requirements Document integrating language models in learning management systems. Project name LLM Integration Initiative. Version 1.0. Date. Author your name. Approved by approving authority. Business problem statement. The current learning management system LMS lacks advanced capabilities for personalized learning experiences and efficient feedback mechanisms, hindering educational effectiveness and engagement. Business objectives. Enhance student learning experiences through personalized content recommendations and tutoring. Improve teaching efficiency with AI-driven grading and feedback mechanisms. Modernize educational content delivery with advanced language processing technologies. Functional requirements. Integration of a scalable language model e.g. GPT-4 into the existing LMS architecture. Development of AI modules for personalized content delivery and assessment. Implementation of natural language processing for automated grading and tutoring. User-friendly interfaces for educators and students to interact with AI-driven tools. Non-functional requirements. Performance ensure minimal latency in AI interactions within the LMS environment. Security implement robust data privacy measures to protect student information. Scalability design AI modules that can handle increasing user demands over time. Compliance adhere to legal and regulatory requirements governing AI use in education. User roles. Educators utilize AI tools for personalized teaching and grading. Students interact with AI for personalized learning support and feedback. Administrators manage AI integration and monitor system performance. Constraints. Budgetary constraints limiting additional feature development beyond initial scope. Time constraints for deployment and testing phases. Technical limitations in data privacy and security with AI interactions. Assumptions. Availability of skilled resources to implement and support LLM integration. Supportive organizational culture for adopting AI technologies in education. Approval criteria. Approval by stakeholders based on alignment with educational goals and feasibility. Endorsement by technical experts ensuring AI integration meets security and scalability requirements.